up this morning, feeling kinda strange. Got a wild idea, time to break the chains. Grab my chainsaw, heart racing with glee. Gonna carve a face, just my log and me. Hey there, old man, don't you frown. I'm just bringing life to this old ash crown. We'll laugh and we'll shout with our angry grins. You'll see, my friend, this is where the fun begins. This is where the fun begins. This is where the fun begins. With each rev of the saw, I can feel the thrill. Chips flying like confetti, it's a brand new skill. Out pops a face all twisted and bold. From the heart of the log, a story unfolds. Hey there, old man, don't you frown. I'm just bringing life to this old ash crown. We'll laugh and we'll shout with our angry grins. You'll see, my friend, this is where the fun begins. The fun begins. You were hiding in shadows beneath the old bark, but now you're alive. Let's ignite a spark. We'll carve out your body, let the forest unite. With suspicious faces, we'll dance through the night. So come on, old man, don't look so perturbed. We'll gather the trees, let our laughter be heard. With chainsaw in hand and a grin on my face, we'll create a forest full of wild, angry gray. Hey there, old man, don't you frown. I'm just bringing life to this old ash crown. We'll laugh and we'll shout with our angry grins. You'll see, my friend, this is where the fun begins.